Hello friends, I am Suman. Welcome to my channel in Dayal Programming Academy. Today I am going to start a new series, that is creation of custom button, links and actions. Today we will discuss about custom button or links, right? So let's start. What is custom button and link? So in Salesforce, custom buttons and links are visual elements that user can click to trigger specific actions or navigate to different locations. They allow us to customize the Salesforce interface and integrate it with external system or internal application, right? So for example, if I'm talking about where we can use these custom links, so suppose if you want to open a Visualforce page or you want to launch an external application, so there we can do with the help of this custom button and link, right? So there is three types of custom links. So first one is detail page link, second one is detail page button, and third one is list button. So on the basis of the appearance of these links and buttons, we can differentiate into three categories. If I'm talking about the detail page link, so it appears in the link section of the record page detail on an object record page as a hyperlink, right? If I'm talking about the detail page button, so it appears in the action menu in the highlight panel of a record page as a button, right? And list button, it appears on an object's highlights panel as a button, right? So let's start how we can do this. So come to our org. So first of all, let me open my application so I can show you where I'm going to apply this. So this is my application and this is my object lib application where I'm going to apply this custom button and links, right? So let's start. Come to our setup, object manager. Now open our object is lib application. So open this object. Now come to this option, button, links and action. So click this option. Here you can see two buttons are available, new action and new button or link. New action we will discuss in our further videos. Today we will cover this new buttons and link, right? How we can create. So click here. Sometimes it's take time to open. Okay, it is here now. So here you can see three options are available as I told you, right? Detail page link, detail page button and list button. Today we will cover one by one, right? So first of all we are going to cover detail page link, right? So give a label to your link, whatever you want to give here you can type. So with the help of this link I am going to open my Google page, right? So I am giving this name as a Google page. Right? If you want to give any description, you can write here. Now here is a behavior. You can choose as per your requirement, right? So let me show you what is the meaning of behavior. So here you can see how this window will display. That is the behavior. If I will choose display new window, so it will appear in the new window. If I will choose display in existing window with sidebar, then it will appear in this form with the sidebar, right? So similarly you can choose as per your requirement. So for now I am choosing display in the new window, right? If I am talking about the content source, so what content source you want to provide here, you want to go with the URL, you can use here JavaScript, right? If you want to display any visual page, then you can go for it. So for now I'm using this URL, right? So which URL, I don't have any another one, so I'm using Google. So when I will click on my link, my Google website will be open, right? So come here and paste this URL. Whatever URL you want to open by clicking on this link, you can write here, right? So check the syntax, is there any error? No error. So it is done. And okay, so apart from this URL, as per your requirement, if you want to insert any field from here, you want to insert any operator from here, you can go for it, like a formula. Or ready-made functions are also available here, you can use these also as per your requirement, right? How we can use this, I have already made video on this topic, so you can go for it. So after doing this, just click on save button. So it is showing a message, we need to put this link on page layout, right? So our link has been created. Now next step is we need to put this link on our page layout, so we will be able to see in our object, right? So come to the page layout, open this page layout. Now we have created the custom link, so click on this custom links option. So here is the link which we have created, Google page. So just drag and drop here, right? And save it. So our link has been created. Now come to our application. Just refresh this application, right? So if I will open this, so here you can say on the detail page this link is available, right? If I will click here, then it will redirect me on Google page, right? Clear? So in this way we can create our hyperlink by using this button. Now come to our next option. Next one is, again go for the same object, because I am taking the same object for all of three buttons, right? Or so again I am going to create a new button. So click here, same option. Now click on new button and the link, right? So I am applying on the same object. You can choose your object as per your requirement. Now this time I am going to create on detail page button, right? So again I am using the same Google page. So this time I am giving this name Google page 1. Okay, so same I am using, same URL I am using. Now click on save button. Again I need to put this on my page layout, right? So our button has been created. Now come to our page layout, open this page layout. Now this time we have created as a button, right? So click on buttons. Here you can see our button is available, Google page 1, which we have created right now. Now drag and drop on your page layout here. Now save. Again come back to our application, just refresh your application. See, this is my detail page. Okay, let me open one more time. This is my object. If I will open and record, and here this is the drop down arrow, highlight panel, okay? So here you can see Google page 1, right? So if I will click here, so it is navigating to me on the Google page, right? So in this way you can create your button. Now let's do the third one. Again come to the button and link, click new button and link. Now this time I am going to create the list button, right? So just select this option. As you select this option, this checkbox is available here, right? So what does it mean? This checkbox is available for mask update. So if you want to make a change or want to display multiple records at a single time, then you can do with the help of this, but this time I am using only one, right? So to this I am going to give a label Google page 2. Okay, same thing I am applying here, new window, URL. Now click on save button. So our button has been created. Because this is related with the related list and object, so we will not put this link on the page layout. So scroll down, this is a list view button layout, so we need to add this button in this layout, right? So click here, list view is available here, click on this drop down, click on edit button, little scroll down, if you will see our button is available here. So just add it and click on save button, right? So our list button is already created and we have added into the layout. Now come to our application, refresh. If I will open this object, so here you can say it is available on the object in the highlight panel, right? If I will click this button, so it will redirect me to the Google page, right? So in this way we can create our buttons and link to connect our external application, or we can go for the internal application or the page, whatever you want to do with the help of this, you can do this. So that's all about the button and link. So thank you for watching my videos. If my videos are helping you, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So thank you for watching.